since 1904. You will remember this dress. This is the first dress that I designed. No shikaiva shayo o humando shikaiva shaya ko Namibia puno ka horoko ba ko ndimbu ku karoka ngara ake thwa ke o namba thanangwi o horoko banja ithiwa munomwi ko kondamba ha ko kondo muneno mthwezo ngumba za ko liye namulala o ini ainji baso pauli ne ha lu kombundesha injotu hakaini nambano washimi yangu kumodify horoko banji in a modern way, in a better way. This is the dress that gave birth to your rare dreams, and I'm not going to sleep on it, and I'm not even going to take it for granted. I have to honor this dress. I have to respect this dress. Menarukusho dress anjinu onja shita kokusha pekare. Business kanji kukeithana kokusha Oyore Dreams. Please do check that page on Facebook. Oyore Dreams on Facebook. Oyore Dreams on Instagram. Okay? You will get me there. Kumguroka horoko bakanjo kana hepero na vino sho shivara shako shiwa. Oshi yasha shimbina shosho shi injo koshari hina kungurita kaparuka. Pothinjo inanjinu. O inanjimi yango kutanauria moshina sharwe. Kushamba pahera pe play nari mwembo ra mavi etonomo indi kombundo mbura imwembo po opo ndishimba konda ikapehi mara no mamupito shikaiva. Sometimes I do things out of creativity without knowing that if I put it out there, it will grab people's attention. This is one of the photo shoots that I did that got people's attention and receiving a lot of inquiries. A lot of you want to know about the neck pics on my neck. I got it from eBay in 2022. Some of you are asking about the thing that I'm holding on my hand. I don't know herero because we don't have it in our culture, but I got it from Tiki Maxx. The fabric material is an old dress of mine that I'm trying to modify it into a new herero dress. Literally, there's nothing new in this picture. It was just a matter of looking at things in my house and come up with a certain creativity. Opo now really shit it off. Yebo.